Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a ab workout. Now that's why I have no makeup on. I'm barefaced, so don't mind me. But I did do a glutes and leg workout before, and I was going to do more workouts, but then I just totally forgot about it, and that's my fault, so I'm sorry about that. So now I'm going to try to incorporate more workouts. Since I love to work out, I want to do this because I work out at least 4 to 5 days a week, and I just love working out, especially at home. I go to the gym maybe once in a while with my friend, but other than that, I work out mostly at home. So I'm like, why not just incorporate videos like this for people that want to work out but can't go to the gym, you know? I understand you guys. So I'm going to show you a few workouts that I do for my abs. Now, I'm not a professional, so you know, always do your research and do what you know and what you find out that's best for you. I will say that when working out, please always have water with you because you will get dehydrated, and if you feel like you need to take a break because it's overwhelming, take at least a minute or less of a break, and always stretch because you need to stretch. You could do it before or after. I kind of do it always after to stretch my body. I'm going to do just a few workouts. I say that now, but then I'll try to cram everything into one. I think I am going to do a few workouts so I can have this as like a series, kind of like, you know, just a workout series, because I don't want to cram everything in one and then I have nothing else to show you. I'm going to stop rambling on because I can be here forever. So if you want to see some of the ab workouts that I do, then keep on watching. workouts that I do. I do other workouts as well, but those are my go-to ab workouts. They kill your abs in a great way. I do ab workouts twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful and you enjoy and it motivates you to work out more often. You know, you have no excuses. Even if you're at home, you could do 10-15 minutes of workout. It's okay. At least you're doing something. But yeah, if you have any questions or suggestions for my next video, please let me know down below. If you like this video, give my video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to, then just click that button. And yeah, guys, I'll see you next time and have a great day. Bye.